Hey guys, it's Andy with COR Surf with our new truck tailgate pad for longboards and SUPs. So I'm pretty excited about this new tailgate pad. We upgraded from our previous model. This new model is made with PVC material, so it's weather resistant and UV resistant, so it's not going to fade on your car. Another thing this has that our old pad did not is it has silicone covers over the cam buckle. So one of the worst things with using straps to strap your board down is when you drop it and the metal scratches or dings your truck. So we covered them with silicone. So now if you drop it, doesn't matter, you're good to go. So today I'm going to show you how to put it together. Okay, so this tailgate pad works with any truck, so mid-size, full-size truck. Just wrap it over the tailgate. What you're going to do is you're going to have to open the tailgate a little bit to get the straps underneath it. So I'm going to crack it just a little bit. Squeeze it under here. And then you can see, like I was telling you about before, it's got the really nice silicone over the cam buckle. So you're not going to dent your truck. And these are going to extend the life of your tailgate pad too. So then you just strap your straps down and do the other side. Cinch it down, make sure it's nice and snug. And these are the straps. This is what you're going to use to strap your board onto the truck. So now it's all ready to go. Put your board on. Okay, so I got my board. It's pretty easy to install. You just slide the nose in. Now if you have a nicer board, fiberglass board, I recommend putting a towel or something on the nose so it doesn't dent or ding the nose of your board. Obviously this is just a foam top, so it doesn't really matter. But once it's on, you can see there's plenty of room. So if you have a bigger board or a paddle board, it's a wide tailgate pad. And then you just strap it down. This is the nice thing with the silicone cam buckles is it's not going to scratch your board or dent it either. And the strap is actually removable. So when you don't have a board on here, you can take the strap off so it's not flapping around the back of your truck. And then just cinch it down. Make sure it's nice and flush. You're good to go. Okay, so that's the COR Surf tailgate pad. Works with longboard, paddle boards. If you have lumber, ladder, anything you need to strap down that's coming out of the back of your truck, it works perfect. You can get it at corsurf.com. Thanks.